Meet Robert and his wife Emily. Aren't they looking excited? Well, they've just decided to start the process of buying a new home for their expanding family. They called the big mortgage company, and guess who comes knocking? Big Bad Banker Brown, from the bad side of town. Mr. Brown is all about making a deal, and he's full of fake stories about helping police officers and firemen, while the truth is he has secretly taken advantage of those customers, as well as senior citizens, and less financially educated borrowers for years, enriching himself by placing those borrowers in above-market interest rates because they trust what he says. He's fast and loud to cover up his bad service and bad loans. Banker Brown would sell his mother to make a deal and send her COD. And it doesn't take long for Robert and Emily to see through the show and call Townstone Financial to help out. That's because Townstone Financial loan officers care. They put 100% into whatever they're doing, and they have earned a reputation for it. So don't fall for guys like Big Bad Banker Brown. Call the guys that care at Townstone Financial now at 312-896-2110. That's 312-896-2110. Or go to townstone.com.